I'm Brooks Baker from the Steuben County District Attorney's Office. Just by way of introduction, I have Chief Ted Murray here from the Hornell Police Department, Investigator Thomas Ianni, Captain Richard Allen from the New York State Police, Senior Investigator Curtis Eaton, and James Miller, Senior ADA in my office. We're here today to talk about some continuing developments in the death investigation of Ian Miniski Huff, a 17-month-old child who is deceased here in the city of Hornell. Just by way of essentially history, on November 25th, Thanksgiving morning, about 12:05 a.m., Cody Baker brought the mother of the child into St. James Hospital. Shortly thereafter, because of some of the injuries that were inflicted, the Hornell Police Department was called, and Investigator Ianni responded to the scene. The victim was flown to Strong Memorial Hospital, where he passed away based upon his injuries on November 30th, 2015. The investigation began at that point, and with the assistance of the New York State Police, in particular Captain Allen's unit through Senior Investigator Eaton, an arrest was made in this case of Dakota Miller, 22 years old, of the city of Hornell, the paramour of the mother of the victim in this situation, on November 28th, 2015. The original charge was assault in the second degree based upon his age and intentionally inflicting a physical injury on the child based upon his age. After the death of the child, there was an autopsy done. We have a preliminary report done at this time. That was on December 1st, 2015. Based upon the results of that autopsy, the fact that the child died of multiple blunt force trauma, it's been ruled a homicide by the ME, and today we upgraded the charges against Mr. Dakota Miller to manslaughter in the first degree under Penal Law Section 125, Subdivision 4, alleging he, being 18 years of age or more, intentionally inflicted physical injury on Ian, who was obviously less than 11 years old at the time, and that based upon his conduct, that caused Ian's death. So that's where we stand right now. He was arraigned today in Hornell City Court. He appeared with the Public Defender's Office. A bail was increased to $200,000 cash, $400,000 real property bond, and the Public Defender remains assigned. Tom Starr from that office will be handling the case for them. So at this juncture, he's been remanded to Steuben County Jail, and the next step is to present this case to a Steuben County grand jury. So any questions, we'll be happy to answer what we can. Obviously, we're not going to talk too much about evidence in an ongoing criminal investigation. The investigation is ongoing. We are waiting for more things as we go forward.